Hey guys, and how it's going? Continuing working on this Baghee Kinetic with a no start. What I've done so far, I removed the carb and tore it all down, let it have a good cleanup. I checked the ignition system and found that the spark plug wire and the boot was not connected properly, but now that's sorted. So she got fuel, she got spark. So the third thing to check will be compression. So in order to perform this compression test, we need a 21 millimeter deep socket and a ratchet. I'm using this T-handle, and you need the compression tester kit. I don't know how many years I've had this, but they last a long time. This kit comes with the gauge, this long hose, 4 different fittings, and these 2, I don't know what you would call these. You plug this over the spark plug hole. So right here is the spark plug and the spark plug boot. Remove the boot. Take the socket. Oh, that's tight. Remove the spark plug. Take this hose and thread it into the hole where the spark plug goes. And make sure it is heated. And take the gauge like so. From what I understand, the reading you want to see is that you want to see between 100 and 125 psi. And while you're cranking, you want to have full throttle. Okay, let's go. Full throttle. What did we get? "25 psi. That's not good. Well, no wonder she won't run. 25 psi is way too low. So, either the head gasket is blown or the piston rings are seized in their grooves, making it leak in the cylinder head. Okay, at least we know where to continue our troubleshoot. Well guys, now you know how to perform a compression test on your moped. Pretty much same procedure on any moped. Pretty straightforward. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And remember, subscribe guys. You'll see me in the next one. See ya!